This is easy. This is possible. This is something you can achieve very soon if you start today. You just have to work a little bit hard. You have to have determination and hunger to achieve this kind of back. But I know this is all BS. All you need right now from me is some practical approach. So this is it. Just give me one set every single day. Not more, just one single set of 15 push-ups. I know some of you can't even do one single push-up, but that's about to change. If you can't even do a single push-up, try to do that one push-up every day. Just that one push-up every single day. A few days later, make it 3. If you are able to do 1, a few days later, you will definitely be able to do 3. And a few days after that, you will definitely be able to do 6. And just in a few weeks, you will definitely be able to do 15. It will take some time and effort, but you will definitely be able to do 15 push-ups every single day. It took me some time. It took me about 3 years to achieve this shredded back, but it did happen. And the same could happen to you as well someday. Again, just 15 push-ups every single day. One set of 15 push-ups. That's all I ask from you. And I assure you, I promise you, sometime in the near future, you will have this kind of shredded, ripped back.